Do you know you can make a lot of money with YouTube ads? Yes, it's possible. Hello guys, if you're watching me for the first time, I'm Patrick and welcome to Obakhas Geeks. So today I'm going to show you how to place mid-roll ads on your YouTube videos. Let's get started. Now, what are mid-roll ads? So that's the question I know you are asking yourself. So mid-roll ads, these are ads that only you as a creator have control on how you want them to appear in your videos. So first, before you think of placing mid-roll ads on your videos, there are some basics you need to understand. Mid-roll ads is only available for videos that are longer than 8 minutes. So if you have video longer than 8 minutes, all of them you can place ads the way you want. You as a creator have control over them, right? Not like YouTube. The advantage of using mid-roll ads or advantage of placing mid-roll ads on your YouTube video is you are going to make a lot of money. You are going to make money. Let's say you have video like 30 minutes and you have ads placed in between that videos. You're going to make a lot of money. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So what you need to do, if you have video longer than 8 minutes, you need to sit back and watch this video till the end. And if you're not making video longer than 8 minutes, it's recommended to make such videos for you to make good money on YouTube. If you want to place mid-roll ads on your YouTube videos, first you need to be signed into your YouTube account. Once you're on your channel homepage, click on your profile in the top right corner of your screen. Then on these options, click on YouTube Studio. Then you'll be directed to YouTube Creator Studio. Then once your YouTube Creator Studio page is opened, go to your left hand option below your profile, then click on Content. Then on your channel content, go to the video you want to place mid-roll ads. As I said, it must be longer than 8 minutes. So once you're on here, let me say I want to choose the first video. Once you're on that video, click on monetization icon right here. Then video monetization page will open up. You need to turn on monetization first. Then below your types of ads, scroll down. Here you have pre-roll and post-roll. Pre-roll and post-roll is set by default by YouTube, but manage mid-roll option is also available now for you as a creator to take control on how you want ads to appear on your YouTube videos. Now you need to click on manage mid-rolls. Then this window will open up. Now below here we have this video. You can see the video down here. Now drag this line to the point you want to place your ad. Let me say I want to place it right here. Then click on add break in the top left corner, right? Then ad will be placed there. As you can see, this bar is representing ads. Again, drag this line to the next point you want ads to appear. Then click add, again click add break. After that, once you are done with placing ads the way you want, and you need to be sincere with your viewers, or else it will affect your videos retention. People will get bored with your videos. So you need to be sincere and realistic on when you're placing ads on your videos. So once you're done, click on continue. Then next here, click on save. So guys, that's how you can place mid-roll ads on your YouTube videos. So thank you so much for watching. If you found it useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.